This is the portion for BWSSP syllabus. The portion for the lathe. Lathe is a machine which removes the metal from a piece of work to require the shape and size. Whatever shape and whatever size you have required, that is calling the lathe. Lathe is one of the most important machine tool the metal making industry. The lathe operates one of the principle of rotating workpiece and fixed cutting tool. Lathe machine is also known as mother and father of the entire tool family. Uh, Next, inventor of the center lathe, Henry Moseley was born isolated farm near Jigalvik in North Ukraine and educated in University College of London. He was an outstanding student, collecting the 10 gold medalists, graduating with MD degree in 1857. Function of lathe. Function of lathe. Function of lathe. Lathe is a remove the excess material in the form of chips by rotating the workpiece against the stationary cutting tool. Industrial revolution demanded more production, more precision. Changes in manufacturing process lead to the development of high-speed special purpose lathe. Main parts of center lathe. Lathe machine is also known as center lathe because it has two center between which the job can be held and rotated. The main parts of the center lathe are bed, headstock, tailstock, and carriage, etc. The lathe machine you have in many parts. Look at here, this is the headstock assembly. This is the spindle sector. This is the spindle speed sector. Next, spindle with the check. You have a check. There are three jaw check, four jaw check, and magnetic check. And you have look at here, this is the tool post for holding the cutting tool. Compound rest, this is the above the lathe bed you have in a compound rest. One of the question you are asking in the objective type, which type of material you are using in lathe bed. First option mild steel, second option cast iron, third option copper, fourth one none of above. You have which answer is correct? Lathe bed you are using in cast iron. This question is compulsory from in your competitive exam in BWSSB. Carriage and weighs, dead centers and tailstock assembly and wheel bed. See, this is the clutch, this is the selector, chip pan, apron, split nut, clutch, longitudinal transfers, and feed control, feed rod, lead screw. See, next time we go for lathe. Lathes are oldest machine tool. Lathe components. First one is bed. Bed is support for all major components. Carriage slides along the ways and consist of the cross section, cross slide, tool post, and apron. Headstock holds the jaw for workpiece. Suppliers power to the jaw as various drive speeds. Feed rod and lead screw. Feed rod is powered by a set of gears. Headstock working principle of lathe. See, working principle of lathe. This is the support. This is also support. The one side is headstock, another one is style stock. This is the job. This will be rotating in anti-clockwise direction. See, working principle of lathe. If the tool moves parallel to the workpiece, cylindrical surface formed. See, this is the tool. This is the tool. This is the rotation of work. Tool speed. Cylindrical surface. See, working principle of lathe. Working principle of lathe. See. If the tool moves inclined to the axis, see, if the tool moves inclined to the axis, produced taper supplied is called taper turning. See, what is calling about taper turning? The you have in major diameter and minor diameter. In between and major and minor diameter, you have a length is there. Tan alpha is equal to major dia minus um, uh, small dia denominated by 2L. Uh, It holds the work between two supporters called centers. Check or faceplate also used for holding the work. Check or faceplate mounted on the machine spindle. Cutting tool is held and supported on tool post. Movement of the job, rotation about the spindle axis. Tool is feed against the revolving work. Specification of lathe, especially specification of lathe is very important. Height of centers, type of bed, straight and semi gap and gap. See center distance, swaying over bed, swaying over across the slide, uh, swing in gap, gap in front of place, spindle speeds range, spindle nose, see spindle bore and taper nose. See specification of lathe. Metric thread features, lead screw pitch, metric thread pitch and lead screw pitch, longitudinal feeds. See next, cross slide travel and top slide travel, tool selection, tailstock sleeve travel, taper in sleeve bore, motor horsepower and RPM. See here. See here, shipping dimensions, lathe, width, height and weight. See types of lathe, the engine lathe or center lathe. It is the most common type of lathe. It is widely used in workshop. The speed of spindle can be widely used, varied as desired, which is not possible in a speed lathe. Next, I will go for bench lathe. Next, I will go for bench lathe. Mm. Next, I will go for this bench lathe, small lathe which can mounted on the work on bench. It is used to make small precision and light jobs. Speed lathe. It is named because of the very high speed of the headstock spindle. Consists of headstock and tailstock and tool put. It has no gearbox. Applicable in wood turning and metal spinning and operations. See types of lathe. First one is a tool room lathe. It is similar to an engine lathe designed for obtaining accuracy. It is used for manufacturing the precision components, dies, tools, jigs, etc. And hence it is called as a tool room lathe. Special special purpose lathe. See, next I'll be go for special purpose lathe. See gap lathe and instrument lathe. Next, I will go for facing lathe, flow turning lathe, and heavy duty lathe. Next, automatic lathe. See, in automatic lathe, a lathe in which the workpiece is automatically read and removed without use any the operator. It required to very less attention after setup has been made, the machine loaded. turret lathe. A turret lathe is used for adoption of the engine lathe, where the tailstock is replaced by the turret slide, cylindrical or hexagonal. Tool post of the engine lathe is replaced by a cross slide, which can hold the number of tools. Okay, I'll be go for next capstan lathe.